What do you do for fun?
For fun, I do many things like watching movies, watching cartoons, and playing with my friends.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Peppa Pig.
Hi, can I ask you some questions?
Of course you can, why not?
Thank you for giving me a great chance. What's your name?
My name is SUPTI.
What's your full name?
My full name is SUPTI.
You have a nice name, and my name is LABIBA.
Oh, you have a nice name too.
Thank you for the compliment. What's your school name?
My school name is PM Laboratory School and College, and you know it is one of the best schools in Cox's Bazar.
And I study in a different school. My school name is Rama Cantonment English School and College. It's also a good school. What do you do for fun?
For fun, I do many things like watching movies, watching cartoons, and playing with my friends.
Never mind, I'm asking your age. How old are you?
I'm just turned into 10.
I'm 10 years old too. What kind of hobbies do you have?
I have many hobbies like traveling, cooking, watching movies, etc.
You have a great taste. What's your future plan?
My future plan is to be a doctor because I want to help the poor people and the sick people. And also, I want to build a good hospital for the sick people.
You have a great choice. I want to be a doctor too because it's a great profession.
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Well, my favorite color is black.
What's your favorite movie?
Well, my favorite movie is Harry Potter because it is a magical movie and I love magic. And the main character of Harry Potter is Harry.
I love Harry Potter too.
Okay.
And what's your best quality?
Well, my best quality is I'm a hard worker.
You are a very good person and a hardworking person. What's your favorite subject at school?
Well, my favorite subject at school is science because it talks about the environment and the experiments of science, and I love science experiments.
And I love science too.
Okay.
What's your favorite flower?
Well, my favorite flower is sunflower because it looks like the sun.
I love sunflower too.
Okay.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets because my parents not allowed to have any pets, but I like cats.
I love cats too. What's your favorite TV show?
Well, my favorite TV show is Peppa Pig because it's so funny.
And I love Tom and Jerry.
Okay.
Okay, can I ask you who is your favorite person?
Well, my favorite person is my teacher, Russell sir, because he is a good speaker and he teaches nicely.
Yeah, my favorite person is Russell sir too. Okay, thank you for the information. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.